Hello everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's see what's happening in the gold for the 14th of June 20 sorry 20, 14th of July 2025. See, starting with Forex Factory on 14th, we don't have any news for the gold, meaning USD. Uh, that's what we normally look because we pair against USD and gold. Okay. Now going on to the chart, starting with the monthly is still we're in the second week, and previously double doji, as I said, is going to the upside. Well, let's see how it moves. But I mean, it can come to the up and make another doji. Well, let's see. So to clearly see, we let me delete all if there's any. No. Okay, and weekly you can see there's currently week is ranging. Took this upside liquidity and now it's ranging, but now it also took downside liquidity in the weekly as well here, and now it's going to the upside, and to become bullish again, it has to break this level to the upside. Then we can say it has become bullish in weekly. However, in smaller time frame daily, see what's happening. Daily, this area has been tested, and then this area has been tested, and then this area has been tested on. It's highly likely that it should break this now. But before it does that, it already took the liquidity in previous daily high from here, and now I'm expecting the market to come to this level, around 30, 3330 level. Looking more closely in 4 hour, you see in 4 hour this is the situation, and in 4 hour you can see the break of structure was happened here. There's a fair value gap here as well. This is a 4 hour area where it can come, and this is a daily area where it can come. Let's color this differently. And now in 1 hour, because we have liquidity sweep in daily, and we can see there's this was the liquidity sweep as well. This candle was a certainly buy candle here on the level, as you can see in 1 hour. This hammer type candle, they call hanging, whatever they call it. And on top, this was sell candle as well, as you can see here. And we had some sell as well. And to dissect that, we go into smaller time frame. And you see in smaller time frame here, this is engulf here, not very good engulf though. But you can even go in smaller time frame. So see, it's a double track here. And we had a buy from. And if you're still not sure, you use moving averages, which I do. And these are here. And you can even go smaller time frame. And you will see here, there's a crossover in 1 minute. Okay, so this is how you analyze the market, and it's not a rocket science, just a matter of practicing same thing again and again and again. So if I remove the moving averages, now we are here now. Okay, and 15-minute chart, and still have this area here. In 15 minutes, the prices may still come here before they come to the downside up to this 4 hour and our daily levels. Let me put the RSI again, and with the RSI drops below, then there's a more possibility the prices can come down. However, if it jumps to the upside, then possibly prices may come to the upside at this level. Let's see. Going back to 1 hour. Let's do in 4 hour and putting our Fibonacci tool. So far we have 3350 level, 3345 level, and 3330 level around. These are two important levels. Let me remove all this, and I put the Fibonacci on this leg, where we will see the 50. So around this is 0.38 level here. In fact, let me make this transparent. And you will see more clearly. Don't need to see the colors. Right. By the way, even the numbers has been removed, which I didn't want to. Anyway, I can do that later. So if I go reset this tool, so these are just defaults. I'll leave it defaults. So we got 50 level, and there's another one is 0.38 level. 0.38. Then I got 0.23. And obviously this is a zero level. Just a few levels, and if I remove this now, the daily level was around 3330, around this area, and this is a 4 hour break of structure as well, and the fair value gap as well. So I'm looking definitely at least up to here, and then up, then here if this level is broken, the market should come down, and you can see what situation is here. Let me put the fib again. We'll take this whole leg. This is the situation. However, if I remove this and use this leg instead, the 0.38 is 0. This is the situation. The 0.61. That's that's a daily level here. 0.61 here around 33.30. So that's very interesting. So let's see how the price moves. But according to this candle, look previously it took the liquidity as well here, and there's a fair value gap left here a little bit, and that was taken with this candle, 4-hour candle. So definitely this and this level are very important. But I don't want to go into much into detail, and I'll leave some work for you as well. And thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.